Hello, everybody. So today is February the 15th, Wednesday, and another green day. So it's another pretty good day. And there were a lot of news going on today. And first things first, let's go over the portfolio and we're going to talk about Roblox, Redwire, Trade Rivian, and like also like what's the best selling truck or Americans most favorite car under 35,000, favorite SUV and stuff like that. Okay, 1 week, so as you can see I'm up like 3,500. Yeah, one day, so 1 week 2,000, 1 month 23,000, 3 month only down like $700. Year to date, wow, up 42%. Wow, that's a lot. 1 year down 109,000, and all time 266% or 77 excuse me, $77,000. So today's best performance, don't think like come from Tesla, but from everybody else, like my smaller bets. I used to call them trash picks, but they are performing very well, like with context, like because of the short seller support and Sichuan research, like this stock. So this is going up, and for this stock, I think they did investor day. Like 1 week, like 1 month ago, and it was like very interesting. It was like very long video, and we let's do it this way. And it's like very long video, and it's interesting. You guys can go watch it. So let me show you the whole thing. Just do it like that. Okay, so let's talk about first things. Let's talk about Rivian. Why is it going up like today? So when it went up a lot, like 8.5%, is because there was a research report that came out that compare all the trucks, like gas trucks and EV trucks, and it was like the research was done with 200,000 people, and they pick Rivian R1T as their favorite truck. So that's astonishing. So it outbeats Ford F-150 electric truck, and because like most people say that Rivian R1T have better towing capacity, off-road capacity, very good ground clearance. That's really good. You have like snow mode, sand mode. It's like pretty innovative. I also own Rivian stock as well myself. And then a lot of them say that the quality material is excellent. So this got me like interested in Rivian as well. So the reason that I haven't been adding this position is that I don't think they can. The car is an excellent car, excellent software. So, but they are still like maybe 8 years, 7 years behind Tesla on the full self-driving. So because like if you think about it, when Tesla reached 25,000 car run rate, it was around 2013 or 14, I think. And last year, Rivian just just reached their $25,000, 25 not thousand, 25 car from 25,000 car produced. So it's got a long way to go. Also, and then another stock is Trade right here. I don't own any of it because I don't really like this. I don't think it's kind of innovative. So I'm not really innovative or not, but they give like the reason it went up so much is that because they give a really good outlook for the revenue, which is kind of surprise to me because like Elon Musk, everybody else talking about a recession is coming. And a recession, the first thing usually people cut is like advertising. Traders is like an advertising company that websites use to like put in advertisement, and they give a good outlook. So I don't know. So that's like it was a surprise that people and companies are still willing to spend money on advertising. So and then another stock that went out a lot today is Roblox. So this company is like up $50 on this stock only our own forces. Well, I did not know that. I did not know I own this stock. So they were like, if you watch their investor day, they were pretty innovative. Like was the they were trying to innovate on the sound, like make you feel like your friends is like in the same room with you and stuff like that. Um, it was like they announced earnings today and they beat on the top and bottom line, and I was surprised that they have like 65 million daily active users. And I'm not gonna like buy more of this stock because the valuation is not already 30 billion. And if you wanna like a 10 bagger for this stock, you have to be like 300 billion. So Roblox gonna be complete domination of the gaming industry if you want a $300 billion valuation. So I don't think that will happen. So it's just my opinion, but I could be wrong about this. But nothing bad to say. They did a good job, and I most like 2/3 of the players on Roblox are under 17, and yeah, so they are trying to move up to a more older player. Then another company that went out a lot today is Redwire. I did not buy any because I don't understand it, because I don't think they are trying to do too much. I think because they got a lot of like infrastructure, like space infrastructure companies going on. So I don't really understand it, and I got 3 shares just in case something happens. Yeah, and why they went up 48%. I was searching through the whole internet and I did not find anything. So there's basically no news that came out, and like that tell us why it went up 48% for Redwire today. Oh, Box went up 30. I don't know what's going on with that stock. I don't know. Did they announce anything or I don't know. So I gotta look at it after this video. And then probably Redwire went us. Roku announced earnings after hour today, so we're gonna take a look at it as well. So I'm not really sure what did they report after hours. Roku saw after earnings as expected consumer streams more than expected. So the company also gave upbeat revenue forecast, saying that some advertising category improve. Oh, so it's okay. So probably the company posted a holiday quarter net loss of 237 million or $70, whereas net income of 23 million. Wow, net income. Wow, that's really good. So I was surprised. Revenue inch up 867 million from 865 million years ago. Oh, they beat the forecast. Analyst estimate was 803 million, and they reported, wow, that's a big beat. That's really good. So it's up 10%. So it's beat on revenue, but I'm not really sure if they beat streaming hours. Well, streaming hours also beat as well. Analyst was like expecting 23.2, but they reported 23.9. And then the forward guidance is also very strong. Analysts expect 692, but they forward guidance 700. Okay, EBITDA loss was adjusted EBITDA loss 110, but that's lower because analysts was expecting adjusted EBITDA of 80, so that's a lot higher than expected. But overall, it's really good. So I'm gonna go look at it after this video. For Roku, I also own 3 shares because Roku TVs are like smartphones, like Apple's like App Store. The Roku TVs have a instead of apps, you get like streaming apps, and Roku take a cut if you buy something. If you buy a movie, Roku gonna take a cut. If you buy some only movies. I don't get why Roku did not add any games to their ecosystem. So Roku is like a operating system, so it's like a Android app store or Apple app store. You can download different type of streaming service, and and if you buy anything, so Roku gonna take a cut. So it's like a very good business. So I'm not really sure why I did not bought more, but I don't think Roku is like that innovative, because like it's not like gonna change the whole type of company, but it's changing a little bit, but not a lot. So not as much as Tesla, because it's transitioning the world from gas to electric vehicles. So yeah, that's that. And then I also wrote down today like the retail sales report went up, and it was like it rose 3%, and estimate was 1.9%. Yeah, sorry, it says right here, which is good. The reason, if like I thought, if like, because I thought the stock gonna like drop a lot today, but it did not. I think it was because like if consumers are still buying, that means we won't have a recession risk. And so it sounds like they're like investors are expecting a soft landing. If the consumers are still like strong and no recession risk, so there might be no landing at all. So it's smooth selling, keep going and keep moving on to the next bull market. Okay, so let's talk about the most popular car for under 35,000, and the most popular is Kia K5. So I heard of Kia is like getting very popular, but I haven't seen the K5 yet, so I'm gonna go look at it after this video. And then most popular SUV CUV under 45,000 is Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically the end of the video, because this portfolio started 2016 and all-time high is 300,000. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And right now I think I have 512 subscribers, and my goal is to get like 515 subscribers. If you can help me out, that'd be great. And please give this video a like as well. And a good reason to subscribe is that every day when the market opens, I will try to make a video and show you my whole portfolio, everything. So how much I lost, how much I still gain. So it's like I'm trying to be the most transparent YouTuber out there. That show you my portfolio. You can take a look at it and see what's going on. So that's a good reason to subscribe. Excuse me. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you Thursday tomorrow for another market update.